check the power steering fluid on this Cadillac SRX. But the first thing is to wipe around the cover. Whatever style you have, wipe it off because we don't want dirt ingress into the hydraulic system. I'm doing a quarter turn on this model, pulling it out, wiping off the dipstick or level check as we would in many other fluid systems, and you'll see two little graduated lines there. This vehicle is not running, so it hasn't heated up or expanded. As the fluid heats up, it will expand. The reason why I'm saying this is because, as you can see, it's up to the full level. If you were to just randomly pour fluid in there, as this vehicle is started and the temperature goes up, the fluid level will rise accordingly. So always be between the two level checks when you're checking it cold, not running like this, and you should be perfectly fine and happy, and so will your car.